everybody. I've started on my next plane just. It's going to be similar to this one, but this is 1 inch wide. The next one will be 1.25 inches wide. But I wanted to show you how I set them out. This is the body of the plane. This line I'll get this is the 1/16 of waist for the peening. This is the top of the bed. This line here is the bed. That line there is the thickness of the iron. And then towards the mouth, there's the mouth, that line's the mouth. This will be the iron sitting on the bed. And then just back a bit from that point there, about 1/8, I decide how much wedge I want at the bottom of the wedge. In this instance I've done 3/16. So from the top of the iron, at that point there, just back from where the bevel on the iron is, 3/16 up, and on this instance I've done 6 degrees difference between the iron and the bottom of the bridge, so the wedge will have a 60-degree slope on it. From that point there then, 3/16 up, whatever distance you want on the bottom of the wedge, I've drawn up there. Then the next line is the thickness of the bridge, 1/8 of an inch. And the bridge is going to go here. I know the width of the bridge, in this instance it's going to be 3/4. Well, I want the top of the bridge to be somewhere just below the top of the plane. So I've worked that out. It'll come somewhere there and 1/8 past there. It's a 3/4 bridge. And I'll put in 2 tenons in. And then I'll repeat that this size. Only these 2 points I repeat this side to get it accurate. And I have a centre mark punched in the centre of the plane. So when I've got these lines going down there, to make sure I've got accuracy in setting them out, I put my whatever this is, scribe at the bottom of the mortise, and scribe it there, and then I measure back the distances back towards the top, the setting out marks. That's just to make sure I've got it pretty accurate. Okay, that might help you. These 2 lines, the bed, I'm going to cut it back like that. So in this instance it actually goes dead to the centre of the plane, but it can be anywhere, because I'm going to cut it out afterwards. When I've actually assembled the plane and peened it, I cut that bit out at the last resort. I hope that helps you. This line here is the shoulder line for the dovetails. So there'll be, 2 dovetails. You can have 1 dovetail, but I'll put 2 little ones. And that again is allowing a 1/16 for peening. So the material is 1/8 of an inch. It's not quite 1/8 of an inch, it's a bit over in this instance, but it's immaterial. If you allowed a 1/16 of an inch on that line there for peening, you'll be about right.